Hi and welcome to All Things Styles by Pam. As you can see from the box that is in front of me, I am going to be doing an unboxing. It was a gift from my husband because I've been doing a lot of projects around the house. And this is the first video that I've done sitting down. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I don't want to ramble. Now, with this purchase right here, I was watching, I can't think of her video. She is into luxury goods. If I can find her video, I will put her name down here or either up here. I was watching her video, and when she unboxed these, I was like, oh my God, those are so beautiful. And this is what I wanted to get. Not a purse, okay? Not a purse, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And this is it right here. It came today. So let me get it unwrapped. I've been doing so many projects. Woo, your girl is tired. Okay, so I'm trying to get it out. All right. Okay. So this is, you probably already know what it is, okay? But you don't know. You probably, never mind. So anyway, I haven't done one of these in so long. So let me go ahead and take it out the box for you. And, oh, and let me read you what it is because I want to say the name correctly. These are the LV, I probably didn't need to say that, Sunset Flat Comfort Mule, okay? I have never wanted a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton, but these I wanted. So let me go ahead and show them to you. And I did cheat a little bit. I did take them out the box earlier just to try them on. I was not coming on here and they didn't fit, okay, or look right, okay? But I did measure my foot just to ensure, to make sure that I got the right size. And what I also did was, from watching the video of the YouTuber, she got hers a half a size up, so that's what I did, and I'm glad that I did. So these are the shoes. Oh my God! They are absolutely gorgeous, okay? And I did want them in black, okay? Now, with these right here, they kind of remind you of the videos that I watched earlier. I think they was called them pillow shoes, pillow top shoes or something, because you can unsnap it and it was really soft right here, and you can adjust them when you put them on. So this is kind of like that right here, but it's a little bit harder. So I expect that over a period of time, they are going to loosen up. What I'm really loving about these shoes is the chain that is going across, and I hope that you can see that. And what I'm also loving is that it has the LV's, you probably won't be able to see it because the shoe is black, okay, but they have the LV, what do you call it, designs that are on the shoes. I can't think today. You can probably see it right there, but not too good. Now, they do have a lift right here. And when I tried them on, they were very comfortable. It is kind of hard right here. And like I said, over a period of time, I think they're going to soften up. And my foot went into them absolutely perfect. They have and these were made in Italy, as you can see right there, and it has the LV logo. That's what I was trying to say. They have the LV logos that are, there you go, that are going across. You can see it right there. Now, do I think that because it has a chain across it, will it bother my foot? I don't think so. From what I tried on, I don't think so at all. I love the hard rubber soles that are on the bottom of the shoe. okay, to make sure that you do not slip and fall. So that's what I like about these. I love the grips that are on the bottom of these. Now let me take the other one out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on. Now please don't pick at my feet, okay, because my toes, I like to cut them down. And my friend Sam was like, why you cut your toe down so far down? That's just how I am. I am also loving the white stitch that is going, let me stand up so you can see it. I'm also loving the white stitch that is going all the way around the shoe right here. I thought these were really different because I never saw a shoe with this kind of lip right here. Now I tried to search for some videos for these shoes. I could not find a video for these shoes right here. Other sandals, yes, but these, no. So let me go ahead and stop the camera, and then I'm going to put them on. And what I did was I wore kind of like a sundress, so that way you can get an idea of what they will look like with a sundress. With jeans, they will look good with jeans as well. I think these are casual, but what's the word? Casual, but beautiful, and I think if you needed to go somewhere really nice that wasn't like a suit and tie, you could absolutely wear these. So let me go ahead and take off my pumps. I'm going to freeze you, and then I will be right back so you can see how they look on my feet. Hold on. Okay, I am back, and I still haven't taken them off. They're that comfortable. My husband made a joke. He said, I don't know whether he was joking or whether he was serious. He said, where you gonna wear them at? I said, you can, he said, I said, you can wear them, during the summer, whatever you want to wear, wear them. And he was like, oh, okay, so what you think? I'm going to pay this much for these shoes and not wear them? I'm going to wear them. So they're only going to be worn during the summer anyway. You're a little cricket. Okay. But I wanted to, like I said, I don't see any reviews on these shoes. And I wanted to, I wanted to come on camera and I wanted to show you what the shoes look like. I should have done a little bit more research as into the cushion that is right here. I probably can. I just didn't want to stop the camera, go get my laptop, my iPad, and then do the and look them up. But like I said, these are a 38. And they're kind of heavy a little bit, but this is a well-made, good structured shoe. Now, as far as the dirtiness of them, that I don't know. I'll have to come back and let you know if they get dirty really fast. Now I'm paranoid because I'm sitting up here wiping them off. But yeah, they do have a little weight to them. They're not heavy on my foot. And that's one thing about Louis Vuitton shoes I was always nervous to get, is because of the heaviness of them, because of the leather and the canvas. These don't have canvas on them, but I really like these. And like I said, they have a weight. You can tell that they're well made, okay? But like I said, I chose to get black, so I don't know if that's everybody's cup of tea to get black, but I love these. Okay, I just wanted to do this unboxing. I wanted to do this video for anyone that does decide that they want to get these shoes. I'm gonna put the name of what I got so people will know, instead of just putting Louis Vuitton unboxing. So that way, if they want to see the shoes up close or see how they fit, then they'll be able to do that. Okay, thank you for watching All Things Style by Pam. And if you want to know what I'm up to or what I'm planning, join me on my Instagram at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you over there. And thank you for watching my video. Leave your comments below or any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And I will see you guys in another video. And and always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. Bye, guys. I almost messed up my ending, but that's okay. Bye.